Greetings and welcome to the introductory class in the courseware Quantitative Methods. This class is to set the expectations straight. The objective of this courseware is to enable managers to apply basic techniques of quantitative methods to business problems. There are two parts to this courseware. One is business statistics and another is linear programming. More details will follow. The target audience is practicing managers. The point is that we will try and avoid as much mathematics as possible. What we want to do is to enable managers to identify problems where quantitative methods can be applied and how to apply it. So what are the skills required for this course? Basic arithmetic, which is addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So what are the skills required? Firstly, you need to know mathematics from primary school, which comprises addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. You also need to know how to use a calculator. For example, you might come across situations where you would need to know the square root of, let's say, 4.2, for which a calculator is necessary. And finally, familiarity with Excel will be helpful. In this course, we aren't teaching Excel, but we will want to analyze outputs that Excel generates. I will show you how to generate those outputs, and we will analyze these outputs in the future classes. As I mentioned earlier, this course can be broken up into two parts. One is business statistics and another is linear programming. And as you can see, there are 11 modules in business statistics, while there are only 3 modules in linear programming. And therefore, the main focus or the major focus of this course is statistics. So what do we cover in business statistics? We do have a module on descriptive statistics, which is mean, mode, and so on. Things like bar plots and scatter plots and so on. Then we have another module on probability. A third is on probability distributions, things like normal distribution and so on. Then we talk about sampling and we look at some sampling distributions. Then we do interval estimation. There's one module on interval estimation. There are 4 modules on hypothesis testing. We have a module on simple linear regression. And we also have a module on ANOVA. For example, in simple linear regression, we will be looking at Excel outputs and try and analyze what the linear regression model is. Linear programming has 3 modules. The first module is Introduction to Linear Programming. Here we have taken a very simple business problem and we have shown how to formulate it as a linear programming problem. And we solve that using what we call the graphical solution technique. Finally, in the third module, we do something called sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis, where we use the output generated by Excel and analyze that. In Excel, there's a free add-in called Solver. So you need to install that and we will use this to do our sensitivity analysis. Some final words. It would be helpful to have a book in business statistics along with this courseware. Secondly, it would help to solve by hand problems similar to those solved in this class. And these problems could be the solved examples in this textbook. And finally, please, if you find any errors, inform us. Thank you.